Hi everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. So you know that many of the students have requested me to teach algorithm. So now I have decided that from 10th of October, now I will teach algorithm and it is going to be free live classes. Again it is going to, as you know that I have taught POC. Some part is remaining that I will teach now in Unacademy platform. It is even going to be free. So all the classes now whichever I am taking is going to be free. So you will attend, and because of your request only I have requested and now I am teaching. I will start algorithm. Okay, so please come live so that whatever difficulties you are facing we can discuss at that time only. And I have taken the timing in such a way that since in the evening most of you are having a classes, so I have decided to take class timing as 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So every day it is going to be 1 hour classes. So even if you are doing a job or even if you are in college, so now you are doing from work from home or studying from home. So doing your college from home only. So 1 hour you can manage. Okay, so you come live and every day it is going to be. So only on some day when it is a festival, just like Diwali, Dasera. So on that day only I will not take the classes. So all the update I will give you. So for that you please subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notification of whatever updates I am going to do, and even join the group I have given in the description so that I always share the link of my classes. Okay, so that you can get the link of my classes, and the medium which I am going to use is the English. So I am going to teach in English, but if you want to ask me questions in Hindi, you can ask me. But now we have decided that we will only teach in English. So I am going to teach only in English. Okay.